Have you ever laid eyes on a camera so stunning it almost feels unreal? Well, brace yourself, because the Leica M11-P Safari Edition has arrived, and it's something truly extraordinary. This isn't just a limited edition color swap. It's a fusion of refined aesthetics and top-tier performance. Leica has taken the solid foundation of the M11P and reimagined it in a rugged olive green body, channeling classic military-inspired design. It's for those who crave that timeless rangefinder experience, but also want the power and precision of modern digital imaging. Underneath its vintage styling is a 60-megapixel full-frame sensor, ultra-fast Maestro III processing, built-in memory, and of course, that legendary Leica craftsmanship. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a passionate enthusiast, this camera is designed to inspire. So, stick around as we dive into everything that makes this release one of the most exciting in 2025, from specs to build quality, usability to style, and find out why the Leica M11P Safari Edition could be your next creative companion. And hey, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Technify for more camera gear deep dives and honest reviews. The Leica M11P Safari Edition packs a 60-megapixel full-frame sensor that's built to capture immense detail. From sweeping landscapes to intimate portraits and dynamic street photography, every shot is loaded with rich tones, sharp contrast, and lifelike textures. At the core of its performance is the Maestro III image processor. This allows for lightning-fast image handling with minimal lag, so you can shoot continuously without skipping a beat. You'll also benefit from refined color science and clean image output, even when shooting in less than ideal lighting conditions. The native ISO range spans from 64 up to 50,000, giving you incredible flexibility whether you're shooting under bright skies or pushing into the shadows of night. Combine that with 15 stops of dynamic range, and you've got a tool that handles highlights and shadows with beautiful balance and nuance. One of the standout features of the Safari Edition is its internal 256 gigabytes of built-in storage. So even if you forget your memory card at home, you're still good to go. For extra room, there's also a UHS-2 SD card slot, great for backup or extended shoots. The camera's chassis is crafted from solid magnesium alloy, with a brass top plate that will develop a unique patina over time, adding even more personality to an already iconic design. The olive green finish isn't just for looks. It brings that classic Leica Safari aesthetic full circle, paired perfectly with a textured leatherette grip that feels great in your hands. Durability is another win here. The M11P Safari Edition is sealed against dust and moisture, making it a reliable companion for outdoor photography in unpredictable environments. Whether you're capturing moments in the city or out in the wild, this camera is built to last. Around the back, there's a bright 3-inch display with over 2.3 million dots, protected by scratch-resistant sapphire glass. It's touch-sensitive, easy to navigate, and visible even in direct sunlight, ideal for quick reviews and intuitive control changes on the fly. The optical rangefinder brings a real, tactile shooting experience. With bright line frame lines, Leica keeps things traditional. If you've never used a rangefinder before, there might be a learning curve, but once you adjust, it's a rewarding and immersive way to shoot. And here's something forward-looking. The M11P Safari Edition includes Content Authenticity Initiative support. As AI-generated visuals become more common, this technology helps verify that your images are original and untouched, adding a layer of credibility to your work that's more relevant than ever. At around 640 grams with the battery included, this camera strikes a great balance. It feels solid and premium, yet it's light enough for full-day use, whether you're exploring city streets or trekking through nature. Every button, every dial, and every detail has been crafted with precision. From the tactile feedback to the minimalist interface, this camera is all about keeping you in the moment and focused on creating. So, what's the verdict on the Leica M11P Safari Edition? Simply put, it's more than a collector's piece. It's a high-performance camera for serious photographers who appreciate iconic design, straightforward usability, and top-notch image quality. With its 60MP sensor, built-in memory, weather-resistant build, and beautiful vintage aesthetic, this camera is a complete package. It's a tool that brings the joy back to photography, a reminder that shooting can be both functional and inspirational. And let's be honest, it's hard to ignore just how stunning it looks. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Technify for more hands-on reviews and breakdowns of the latest gear drops. Let us know in the comments. Would you shoot with the M11-P Safari Edition, or is it more of a collector's dream for you? Either way, we'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next one.